SolidWorks Sustainability and Sustainable Design. Our world is changing rapidly. Our climate is degrading in a drastic fashion. Many species and habitats are becoming extinct. Agricultural produce has decreased. Natural disasters and diseases are on the rise. We, the humans, are the reason for these changes, and our future doesn't look optimistic. So what can we do about this as a designer or an engineer? Can we change the situation of the environment? So, if you are thinking the same, then you have come to the right place. This particular course is a right choice for you. So this course is all about environmental sustainability and sustainable design. In this course, we are going to learn the basic concepts related to sustainability and sustainable design. In addition to that, we are also going to learn how to use SolidWorks software as a tool for designing and assessing the environmental impact of a product, and then try to reduce the environmental impact of the designed product using the sustainable tools inside SolidWorks software. We are going to have two sessions in this particular course. The first session is a theoretical session where we are going to discuss the concepts of sustainability and sustainable design, and then we are going to have a practice hands-on SolidWorks training session. In that SolidWorks training session, we are going to deal with the software modules that are present inside the SolidWorks, which are known as SolidWorks Sustainability Express or SolidWorks Sustainability, to assess the environmental performance of the product. In order to know more about what are the contents of this particular course and what are the examples that I am going to teach you in this course, you can check out the lecture number 1 in the section 1 of this course. So I hope you are excited to join me in this course and learning about sustainability and SolidWorks. Thank you.